Baby Nitro, good morning. Nitro, hey. Baby. Alright guys, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Oh, si Mami Shanta, natutulog pa siya. Gising siya kagabi kasi iyak si Bebe. So, nagpapakain si Mami kay Bebe. Si Daddy naman ang mag-aalaga kay Bebe. Diba? So, I've just finished feeding him out of the bottle formula. Ngayon, pinapaburp ko siya. Sa vlog na to, What the Fam, ipapakita namin sa inyo na umunlad na kami as parents. We have got a little better, okay? So we've taken some of your advice. We've taken advice from our parents and family members. We've changed the way we do things a little bit. So, panoorin niyo sa vlog na to. Sa vlog na to, ipapabathe natin si Nitro. Pero grabe.
Nitro hates bath time.
He hates it. Don't you, baby? You just want to be maangit palagi, di ba? And then we're going to take him outside in the sun. And then we're going to give him some sun exposure para iwasan niya ang jaundice. Di ba, baby? Yes, we don't want you to become yellow like a Simpsons character. Di ba? So yan, Run the Fam. We'll see how we go this time with bath time. Because Grabe, it couldn't be worse than the first time we gave him a bath. Put me a line now. Okay, baby, tapos na. Di ba, baby? Na-trauma ka pa. Alright guys, so let's get started with our brand new Nitro Fam intro. Kita-kits mamaya sa bath time ni Nitro.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Hey, halika, bebe. Halika. Oh, hindi na siya sa shower, sa kusina na lang. Para hindi tayo pabagalitan. Keep pushing me. When I put him here, he pushes me off. Go, you rest. You lie down. Hey, huwag mo akong ihian, ha? Huwag mo akong ihian, bebe, ha? Alright, here we go. In the bathtub. In the bathtub. Ayun. Okay, ready? He hates getting a bath. Don't you? Yes, you do. You hate it. You don't like it at all. No, it's not very comfortable for you, is it, baby? What's wrong? Huh? Mommy's gonna bath you now. Ready? Here we go. Come on, Mom. Bilisin mo. He hates getting cleaned.
Tawad pala siya. Sa tawad hindi pa siya. Nasa bed, remember
He's not having a good time.
There's something in his eye.
Go.
So much.
Yay! It's okay! Oh, does it feel nice? No, it doesn't feel nice. Bilisan mo siya. Tapos na.
Di ba ka mainit? Sinay ko na sa
Sige na. Is that nice? No. Eh, warm naman yung tubig eh. It's over. Tapos na. Yeah, you scratch yourself in the mouth. Yeah. Okay, baby. It's over. It's okay na. You're okay. Yes, you're okay, baby. Okay, baby. It's over now. Yes, it's over. Yes, it's over. Na-traumatize yung boto. I hate bath time. There you go. There you go. Is that better? Huh? Is that better? You wearing a nappy?
Put him down and then just, you don't know.
There you go. There you go. It's on. You got it on. Yes, we do. Yeah? You feel better? The plan is Mommy's going to feed you. After Mommy feeds you, we're gonna go in the sun. Yeah, you're gonna go sunbathing. Yes.
Ang minamahal ko po, aking diwata.
Alright guys, we're going downstairs now para paarawin natin si Baby Nitro. Oh, my mask is falling off.
Uy, mahulog ka mo, pool. Wala nang full time pala.
Talagang refreshing tuwing pumupunta dito kami sa labas. Ha?
Parang probinsya.
Mini probinsya. Yeah, we got some sun exposure for baby na. Sa sunbathing na siya. We're supposed to do this every morning. Every single morning para iwasan natin ang jaundice sa baby. So, yun. And it's gonna hold you like this, no? That should be a bit better for you. Oh, that's better, isn't it? Yeah.
Always sun didi nga part didi igas.
Arms behind his head, relaxing, bathing in the sun. Sarap ng buhay mo, Nitro. Ang likod niya, pinapaaraw din. He's got a hairy back, doesn't he? Look how amazing Mami Shanta is. Habang nag-breastfeeding, nag-i-edit. Kaloka. Look at her go. Ang katulog na si baby nag-edit na.
This beautiful life.
Hey, what's up, Twente fam? Maraming salamat po sa panunood sa vlog natin ngayong araw. So ngayon na po ay shout out time para sa ating mga top fans sa Facebook. Alright, I'm going to record my screen now. 3, 2, 1. There it is right there. Okay, here we go. Hanapin po natin mga top fans natin. Alright, una sa lahat, we have, heart ko na to, Geraldine Kuunan. Thank you for the badge, mabuhay, love this family. So alam nyo, hindi ako nagbibigay ng badges, kundi you earn your badges kung nag-like kayo, nag-comment kayo, nag-share kayo, ganun. Facebook ang nagbibigay sa inyo, hindi po kami. Alright, pero thank you Geraldine. Alright, our next goes to Eileen Adriano. Yay, thank you Baby Nitro sa badge. Si Baby Nitro pala ang nagbigay ng badge. Alright, next we have Jolly Mac. Happy 1-month-old Baby Nitro. May dimples ba siya? Tingnan someone. May dimples ba siya? Shanta? Nakita mo sa video na may dimples siya. Pero sa totoong buhay, may dimples ba siya?
Kasi chubby cheeks ko eh.
Chubby cheeks siya? Hindi ko alam kung may dimples siya. Parang hindi ko pa nakita. Alright, next, shout out our next top fan. Hanapin natin dito, Tatsu Yoshi. Thank you for recognizing us top fan. Once again, Facebook yan ha. Facebook yan, but thank you for earning the badge, Tatsu. Maraming salamat po. And Sarabia, happy 1-month Baby Nitro. You're so cute. God bless Fully family. Maraming salamat po. And our last top fan today is Rika May T. Mabansag. Rika May, happy first monthsary Baby Nitro. Actually, no, we'll do another one. Okay, we'll do one more. One more for good luck. Here we go. Nasaan na? Lobos na ba? Ayan, eto. Christine Tolero. Happy B-Day Baby Nitro. Good for health. Love you, Baby Nitro. Maraming salamat po. Everyone loves Baby Nitro. A little pabibe. Now guys, we will see you sa sunod na video natin. Once again, remember, may giveaway po tayo. It ends ngayong June 14. So you must create your account on PhilTalk. Use the hashtag PhilTalkGiveaway. Post your picture and wait and see if you win one of our prizes. So we're going to be doing a live draw ngayong June 14 at 6 p.m. Philippines time. Alright, so abangan nyo yan, Twente fam. And once again, maraming salamat sa panonood sa vlog natin. And we'll see you sa sunod na vlog natin. Bye for now, guys!
Wanna take you home tomorrow.
I said it before and I'll say it again.
Forever.